We'll guide you through how to adjust page margins and page border in Microsoft Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in a Microsoft Word document, and so you want to adjust and change the page margins and page border margins. So the page margins are essentially how close the text is to the edge of the document. So you may want to go make this smaller or bigger, and you can also go and adjust the page border margins as well. So to get started, come to the top in the ribbon and select Layout. Now you want to go and find the option for Page Setup, and in the bottom right, go and press on the arrow like so, and this pops up. Now what you can do is adjust the top, bottom, left and right. So just to go and see what this will go and look like, I can make this much bigger. This means the text is going to be further into the page, and you can adjust the top as well. You can go and use the arrows there, and then you can go and press OK. And as you can see, we've now moved it much further in. You could decrease it if you want to make them smaller. Now, what you need to do, now for the page border in the ribbon, you want to go and press Design. Then come to the right and go and press Page Borders. Come to the left in Setting and choose Box. Choose the style. You can go and choose the color and the width as well. Press Options in the bottom right. And what I like to do is I like to go and change Measure From, and you can then do text like so. And you can then go and choose if you want to go and surround the header and footer, and you can press OK and press OK. And that's it. You've now gone in and adjusted it.